Hello, are you hearing or listening to me? It is really confused, right? What is hearing and what is listening? Because it means the realization of the sound, right? So, is there any difference between hearing and listening? My answer is yes. There is a little bit difference between hearing and listening. So what is the difference between hearing and listening? And also, some of you are confused where to use hear and where to use listen. So all the doubts and confusion regarding hearing and listening will be cleared in this video. So my name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Here, this is simply an act of perceiving sounds by ear from anywhere. You do not need to pay great attention when hearing something. So, hearing simply happens. It does not require concentration. Okay, so it is not intense. For examples, you can say, we hear the sound of cars every day in daily life. So, we does not require concentration to hear the sound of cars because it happens every day in daily lives. Right? So, whenever you do not need to pay great attention, you can use the verb hear. Okay, now move on to the second example. I woke up yesterday when I heard a sudden noise. So, this noise is from anywhere. It is not important. So, that's why I use the verb hear in this sentence. Okay, so remember that whenever the sound is less important, then you can use the verb hear because this sound or noise does not require more concentration from you. Okay, now move on to the next verb. Listen. This is something which you choose to do. You have to pay great attention when you are listening to something. So, listening does not happen naturally. You need to pay a great attention to it. So, listening requires great concentration so that your brain processes the meaning from the words and sentences. Now move on to the examples. You should listen to your teacher. So, in this sentence, I use listen because whatever your teacher speaks you is important. So, that's why to show the intensity of the words or sentences of your teacher, you can use this verb listen. Got it? So, in the class, you need to pay a great attention towards your teacher. That's why you use the verb listen. Okay, now move on to the next example. They listen to what their mother advises. So, this sentence requires some great attention because whatever their mother advises, this is important. So, that's why they listen to it. So, they have to pay great attention to their mother because their mother advises something that is important. Okay, so in this sentence, their brains process the meaning from the words or sentences given by their mother. Right? So they need to pay great attention to the advices of their mother. So, whenever you have to pay great attention, then you can use the verb listen, and whenever you have to pay less attention, then you can use the verb hear. Got it? My point? So all the doubts and confusion regarding hear and listen are clear to all of you, right? So please comment below what are you doing in this video, just hearing or listening, okay? And if this video is helpful to you, please give a like because it motivates me to upload a lot of interesting videos like this, and share to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro because you will be updated a lot of interesting as well as English related video. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to send me messages in my Instagram account. The user ID is Iconic Indro. I have given the link as well as user ID in this description and also here. So you can follow me there. Stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.